She called me out here trying to get it started. Just left another shop, but the shop did some, I can tell, suspension work. Right now it won't start. I don't think it's nothing they did, guys. So we're gonna cut some slack right about now. Let's get in here and find out exactly what they mean by no start. You know, first thing to no start is to duplicate it. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? Spinning over fast. Let me go back to my van and grab me some starter fluid. Simulate fuel presence. I'm gonna spray. Look what I got here. And it's not Mopar, guys. I couldn't find the Mopar version. What I'm gonna do is spray in here and then go try to start it, guys. All right, now let's go see if it tried to start. Because if it tries to start, that simply means we got a fuel pressure problem. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna run long. Guys, we likely need a fuel pump. But hold on. Before you condemn the fuel pump, guys, check and make sure you got power supply and ground at the fuel pump connector.